Welcome to a journey through time, a journey through the rich cultural heritage of Vietnam, a nation where history resonates in every corner, where traditions are woven into the fabric of everyday life, and where culture is as diverse as the breathtaking landscapes. We'll embark on an exploration, a captivating voyage that will take us from the vibrant energy of traditional festivals, echoing with the rhythm of drums and the crackling of fireworks, to the quiet dignity of ancient rituals, passed down through generations like precious heirlooms. We'll explore the importance of understanding the unique cultural nuances that define this beautiful country, a place where the past and present converge in a harmonious symphony. And through it all, we'll discover the resilience and spirit of the Vietnamese people, etched in every story, every tradition, and every celebration. Join us on this fascinating voyage of discovery as we delve into the heart of Vietnam's cultural heritage. Festivals are the lifeblood of Vietnamese culture, each one a vibrant showcase of tradition and togetherness. Let's begin our journey with the Tet Festival, the Vietnamese Lunar New Year. It's the most important celebration of the year, a time when families come together to usher in new beginnings with traditional foods, ancestral worship, and vibrant street festivals. The air is filled with the fragrance of blooming peach blossoms, and the homes are adorned with red and gold decor, symbols of prosperity and good luck. Next, we move to the enchanting Mid-Autumn Festival, a celebration for children that fills the night sky with the glow of colorful lanterns. The festival is a feast for the senses, with the sweet aroma of mooncakes, a traditional delicacy filling the air, and the sounds of dragon dances echoing through the streets. Children's laughter and joy become the melody of the night as they parade their lanterns under the full autumn moon. These festivals, each with their unique customs, are not only a time for celebration, but also a way for the Vietnamese people to connect with their roots. They provide a glimpse into the soul of the nation, showcasing the rich tapestry of traditions that have been passed down through generations. These festivals, with their unique practices and traditions, form an integral part of Vietnam's cultural identity. In Vietnam, the past lives on in the form of ancient customs and rituals that have been passed down through generations. These aren't just quaint relics of a bygone era. They are living traditions, woven deeply into the fabric of Vietnamese life. Let's take the Vietnamese tea ceremony, for example. This isn't just about brewing a pot of tea. It's a ritual that encapsulates the country's philosophy of life, of taking time to appreciate the simple pleasures and to connect with others. The process of preparing the tea, the delicate aroma wafting through the air, the act of sharing a cup with someone, all of these elements come together to create a moment of tranquility and harmony. And then, there's the practice of ancestor worship, a tradition that reaches back to the very roots of Vietnamese culture. In homes across the country, you'll find altars dedicated to departed loved ones. Offerings of food, incense, and flowers are made not out of fear or obligation, but out of a deep respect for those who came before. It's a way of keeping their memory alive, of acknowledging the continuity of life and death, and of expressing gratitude for their guidance and protection. These time-honored traditions are a testament to Vietnam's rich cultural heritage. They remind us of the enduring values that have shaped this society, and they offer a touching glimpse into the Vietnamese way of life. Vietnam is a country of many cultures, each with its own unique identity. Nestled along the eastern edge of the Indo-Chinese peninsula, this Southeast Asian nation is home to 54 distinct ethnic groups, each contributing its own colors to the collective cultural tapestry. Delve into the northern highlands and you'll find the Hmong people, characterized by their vibrant, intricately embroidered clothing and silver jewelry. Their rich traditions, from the flower Hmong's colorful market days to the ceremonial practices of the Blue Hmong, are a testament to the enduring spirit of their culture. Venture south and you'll encounter the Cham people, descendants of the once mighty Champa kingdom. Their spiritual practices, a unique blend of Hinduism and Buddhism, resonate in their ornate temples and the rhythmic chants of their priests. In the Central Highlands, the Jarai and the Eid people, known collectively as the Montagnards, live in harmony with nature. Their communal longhouses and ancestral tombs dot the landscape, echoing the profound respect they harbor for their ancestors and the natural world. In the bustling cities, the Kin or Viet people form the majority, their customs and traditions heavily influenced by 1,000 years of Chinese rule, followed by a century of French colonialism. Their language, cuisine, and social norms bear imprints of this historical intermingling, creating a unique cultural blend. Each ethnic group, with its distinct language, traditions, and customs, contributes to the cultural richness of Vietnam. They coexist, their lives intertwined in a complex dance of mutual respect and cooperation, shaping the country's cultural landscape. From the colorful highland markets to the incense-filled temples, from the communal longhouses to the bustling city streets, the spirit of diversity thrives. This diversity is what makes Vietnam's cultural landscape so rich and vibrant. It's a living, breathing testament to the country's multifaceted heritage, a cultural mosaic that continues to evolve, to adapt, and to tell the story of a nation through the ages. As the world evolves, so does Vietnam, adapting its ancient traditions to the rhythm of modern times. Globalization and modernization have left their imprint on the cultural landscape of Vietnam, shaping and transforming it in myriad ways. Yet, in the heart of this Southeast Asian nation, the essence of its age-old customs and traditions remains intact. The impact of the modern world is seen in the bustling city streets where tradition meets innovation. Side by side with ancient temples are skyscrapers, a testament to Vietnam's rapid development. Yet, amidst this modernity, the echoes of the past continue to resonate. Traditional Vietnamese customs, from the intricate tea ceremonies to the vibrant Tet festival, are now celebrated with a contemporary twist. The tea ceremony, once a solemn and austere ritual, is now a social affair, with friends gathering in trendy tea houses to enjoy the ancient practice. The Tet festival, meanwhile, has become an even grander celebration, with fireworks and modern entertainment adding to the traditional dragon dances and feasts. In the rural areas, too, the whisper of the modern world is heard. Ancient farming techniques are blending with modern methods, creating a unique fusion that enhances productivity while preserving tradition. It's this blend of old and new that makes Vietnam's culture so unique and intriguing. It's a dance between past and present, a harmony of tradition and innovation, making Vietnam a vibrant tapestry of cultural experiences. Vietnam's cultural heritage is a rich tapestry of traditions, customs, and festivals. We've journeyed through the bustling streets during Tet, the Lunar New Year, and under the soft glow of lanterns during the Mid-Autumn Festival. We've witnessed the solemnity and respect of ancient rituals like the Vietnamese tea ceremony and ancestor worship, elements that continue to anchor the society in its roots. We've marveled at the diversity of Vietnam's ethnic groups, each one a vibrant thread in the country's cultural fabric. From the colorful costumes of the Hmong people to the spiritual practices of the Cham ethnic group, Vietnam is a symphony of diverse voices, each contributing to the country's rich cultural harmony. In our exploration, we've also noted the impact of modern influences on this ancient heritage. Globalization and modernization are not just buzzwords here. They are tangible forces, shaping and reshaping Vietnam's cultural landscape. Yet the essence of the country's traditions remains, adapting and blending with these influences, creating a unique cultural fusion that is distinctly Vietnamese. In conclusion, Vietnam's cultural heritage is a dynamic, evolving entity. It's a living testament to the country's past, a mirror to its present, and a window into its future. It's a journey through time, a journey of discovery, a journey that is as enlightening as it is enchanting. We invite you to explore Vietnam's cultural treasures firsthand and immerse yourself in its vibrant tapestry of traditions. Vietnamese cuisine is a mouth-watering symphony of flavors, textures, and colors. It is an integral part of the country's cultural identity, just as much as the vibrant festivals and ancient traditions we've explored earlier. It is a feast not just for the palate, but also for the eyes, with dishes like pho, a fragrant beef noodle soup, banh mi, a crunchy baguette filled with pickled vegetables and meats, and spring rolls, a delightful mix of fresh vegetables and meat wrapped in rice paper. These popular dishes are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Vietnamese gastronomy. The secret of Vietnamese cuisine lies in its emphasis on fresh ingredients and balanced flavors. The harmony of 5 fundamental taste senses, spicy, sour, bitter, salty, and sweet, mirrors the balance sought in many aspects of Vietnamese culture. And just like the country's cultural diversity, its cuisine also reflects the influences of its many ethnic groups and historical interactions with other cultures. From the French influence in banh mi to the Chinese influence in pho, each dish tells a story of Vietnam's rich and diverse history. From bustling street food stalls serving piping hot bun cha to high-end restaurants presenting modern interpretations of classic dishes, Vietnamese cuisine offers a culinary journey that tantalizes the senses and warms the soul. It is a delicious testament to the country's cultural richness and diversity, an edible journey into the heart of Vietnam's vibrant culture. And from the vibrant culture and mouth-watering cuisine, we now embark on another journey, this time through Vietnam's breathtaking landscapes. As diverse as its culture, Vietnam's natural beauty ranges from the cascading rice terraces in Sapa, resembling giant steps for celestial beings, to the pristine white sand beaches of Phu Quoc Island, a paradise for sunseekers and water enthusiasts. Vietnam's landscapes are not just a feast for the eyes, but also serve as an integral part of its culture and traditions. The locals' lives are deeply intertwined with nature, from rice cultivation in the terraced fields of the north to fishing in the vast Mekong Delta in the south. These mesmerizing landscapes have also been a source of inspiration for many. Artists, writers, and travelers from around the world are drawn to the country's natural wonders, finding in them a serene retreat, a muse for their creations, or a thrilling adventure. From the towering limestone pillars of Ha Long Bay to the ancient town of Hoi An, bathed in the warm glow of lantern lights, each corner of Vietnam offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. Vietnam's landscapes, like its culture and cuisine, are a testament to the country's rich heritage and vibrant spirit. They invite you on a journey of exploration and discovery, promising experiences that will etch themselves into your heart and soul. As we delve deeper into the heart of Vietnam, let's remember that every mountain, river, and beach has a story to tell, a story as tantalizing and enchanting as the country itself.